The loan is funded, recording is tomorrow. That means we are not staying here tonight. I already moved my desk and the couch. Big ticket items, things we have left is the bed and the wife's desk. Let's go pack those. We're about halfway done unpacking. I've been meaning to make this its own video, but I did a bunch of research on mattresses and supposedly Dunlop and Talalay latex is the way to go. I also bought directly from a warehouse, so they were able to cut me different densities. This is extra firm. The wife prefers harder beds, so we're gonna set that up on that side. I like the medium, and then our topper is this soft one. Gonna finish bringing stuff in and start setting up the desk. Good morning. The bed and the wife's desk is all good. We still have to go over one last time to pick up a few things here and there, but before I do that, I'm gonna cancel the Ring camera subscription. I'm also gonna log into the internet and try to cancel those right now. Last time having coffee here, the Ring cameras were really easy to cancel online, but Frontier, I had to physically call them because they want these EEROs back, EERO. They're gonna send me a QR code. I'll scan it at a UPS and just drop them off. We have my dad's minivan. Let's start loading it up. That was kind of a lot of work. I thought all the heavy lifting was done, but last minute decided to keep this instead of trash it. I think we will use it at my parents', so gonna come back and get those chairs in a little bit. The good news is the inside is pretty much all done. We do have a few pieces here and there that I'm gonna start cleaning up. I just drove the minivan over and switched it with the Outback. Every room is pretty much empty, but we are leaving a few things like this chair. The buyer wanted to close a couple days early, so we are not gonna have time to take everything. The trash cans are already gone. Utilities are planned to be shut off tomorrow. Let's finish packing. This is the emptiest I've seen the garage since we moved in 2021. Very sad to say goodbye house, but this was originally bought with the ex-wife, so I'm pretty happy to close this chapter of my life. I am leaving the Rex Kruger workbench. The new owners want it. This is where it all started, my first YouTube video. I will miss it a lot. Hopefully they get a lot of use and enjoyment out of it. The last things we have in here is trash can, that box, and a few dishes. Video 386 done.